and welcome back to my channel. Now for today's video is a requested one. For so long now you guys have been asking me to upload my wash day routine. Quite frankly, I kind of thought, what the heck? It's just water, slapping on a product, scrubbing my scalp, detangling with the conditioner, wash it out, and hey presto. But then I thought, okay, I'll succumb to the pressure. So I have this everyday wash day routine for y'all. Now before I go on, I just want to say a massive big thank you to my new subscribers. My channel is growing thanks to you. And thank you to my returning subscribers as well. My online friends, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. Now if you want to see my wash day routine, keep watching. So I've had my hair in a bun for about a week now, and all I do at night is spray my ends down with water, use the Mel's Butter Me Up cream to nourish the ends, and in the morning I just touch up the edges and I'm good to go. Now, like most curly hair, it gets tangled very easily, and as you can see I'm having a bit of tug of war with my own hair. Yeah, a real hot mess. So I just continue by trying to separate my hair, just really assessing to see how many tangles I've got and to see how the struggle is going to be later on when I detangle. Now I'm just using warm water to get rid of all the product buildup, and you can see it in the water because it's discoloured. Yuck. So now I've prepped my hair and getting ready for the next star of the show, and this is the Amari Me Black African Soap Broccoli Seed Oil and Sandalwood with lots of other vitamins in it shampoo. So let me tell you a little bit more about the broccoli seed oil. It's great for hair strengthening, preventing hair loss, and it has antioxidant properties of vitamin C. Now I know that the biggest benefits of this oil is its use as a natural silicone substitute. Another fun fact about broccoli seed oil is that it has a really long shelf life of a minimum of 2 years, and this is due to the antioxidant content in it. Also, if you're looking for another way to nourish your hair, this broccoli seed oil is great as a pre-poo. Now that I've rinsed out all of the shampoo, I'm reaching for an old t-shirt because I know this will drain and absorb any of the water because I do not want to create any kind of frizz whatsoever. I'm just separating my curls to get ready for the second start of the show, and this is Deeper, another one of Amari Me's hair range. It is an Aveda deep conditioner for intensive treatment. Now, just to name a few, it has henna, Rousseau clay, nettle, amla powder, aloe vera, oh my goodness, it goes on, red palm oil. It's so good for the hair, it's very nourishing. It's a very light but intensive deep conditioning treatment. So I make sure the whole of my hairline is completely covered, and then I go in and massage my scalp. So at this point is where I start to section off my hair and coat every single hair strand with the Deeper deep conditioner. And this is where the detangling process begins. So let's just see right now how good this Deeper is at detangling your hair. It's clearly you can see the knot there, and all I'm doing is just rubbing my fingers along the hair shaft, and voila! It's detangled it, pain-free, and I've lost no hair whatsoever. So this process will usually take me about 25 minutes to do, depending on how many knots I have to take out of my hair. And yeah, I just put the cap on, and then I'm ready to do a deep condition under the hooded cap for about 30 minutes.
I'm multitasking as I work. I'm going to get my hair deep conditioned while I work. That's right, while I work, girl.
So now after 30 minutes of deep condition under the heated hooded cap, I've rinsed out all of the deep conditioner, and again I like to assess my hair. Just have a look at the curls. And the other thing I love about this deeper is that it helps my curls clump together, gives them a really nice definition, and it feels so soft. Oh my goodness, it feels incredible. So the next thing I do in my wash day routine is I use the Mel's Butter Me Up. This is great for nourishing, moisturising my hair. A scoop of this in your normal conditioner will be great for deep conditioning as well, but for today I was going to use the deeper. Now as you can see, just using a little bit on my hands, as soon as it comes into contact with your skin, it melts. It's such a rich, buttery, creamy consistency. And so I use the sandwich method with my fingers and just coat all of my strands. My hair is probably about 50% dry, and then I go in on my scalp and I just massage it into my scalp, and this feels good. And one of the key things I do every time I do my wash day routine is focusing on my ends. I'm just coating my ends with the Mel's Butter Me Up cream because the deeper is a very light protein treatment and I need to balance it up with nourishment. So I thought it was worth coming on here and mentioning that, as you can see, my routine is nothing special, but it's only the products that I use that make it extraordinary. These are the products I used to use all the time. My Cream of Nature, Argan Oil, sulfate-free Moisture and Shine shampoo, love it. Been using it for about 2 years now. And then the Cream of Nature and Argan Oil Intense Conditioning Treatment. So much slip on this, can't rave enough about this product, but for this one, as you can see, run out. So instead what I did use this time was an Ayurvedic deep conditioner called Deeper. It's from the Amari Me natural hair product, which has got a little bit of henna in, shikakai, amla powder. It's got a whole lot of goodies for protein and nourishment. So I leave all the details in the description bar below. You can see the ingredients and all that good stuff on the website. Now I don't usually get this kind of curl from my other conditioner that I use, but when I'm using the Deeper, oh my goodness, I get some real nice definition of my curls. Look at the curl on that. That's just lovely curl. My word, I love it. I love, especially this sort of area here. It's a proper curl, because a lot of my hair doesn't curl properly. It's just like a kind of wave, but here my hair is curling on itself. It's like ringlets. Can you see that? I love it. Now I wasn't able to put this on camera because I was rushing out to go and pick up my children from school, but what I usually do is when my hair is about 95% dry, I slap on a squirt or two of Mixed Chicks, and I absolutely love this. It's a leave-in conditioner. This is the only time I will put in the Mixed Chicks, on day 1 of wash routine. Day 2, day 3, won't need it, but day 3 my hair will be a little bit more down here and a bit wider here. Can you believe when I was younger I had the audacity to hate my curly hair? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or you enjoyed it, just give it a thumbs up because it helps my channel. And don't forget guys, if you want to join the fam, just hit that. Just smash that. Smash it now. Go on. Anyway guys, I'll see you again soon. God bless you. Bye.